anytime I do a poll on Instagram, the results are like 50-50, and it's not super helpful. But by like a small margin, some of you asked for a studio tour, so here I am. So I have cleaned this corner of our studio for my art stuff. I still need to fill the wall with some more stuff. It's a bit bare at the moment. I was gonna say, here's my favorite adult toy. That didn't sound right. So I keep my printer under this piece of fabric just to protect it from the sun and also to protect it from dust. But I recently installed, oh, I have an Epson 1430, and I recently installed this continuous ink system thing because I had just run out of ink, and I heard that this saves you a ton of ink, and now that I've done it, I was really intimidated by installing it, but now that I've done it, I am so excited about it because I'm making a ton of prints. And this is basil attempt number 327. And in general, I don't really grow plants because they die, but these plants I will try to grow because I like to eat them. I keep most of my stuff organized in these two IKEA drawers because they're slim, so they fit a lot of stuff. And I mostly like have them because I have a difficult time throwing things away. Like literally, whenever I get tissue paper, I actually collect them because I don't like to waste things. I have some random cards here. Oh, some business cards. Envelopes. This is really not that interesting, but okay, keep going. Random packaging materials. What's in here? Oh, even more stuff I couldn't bear to throw away, like random ribbons. Alright. Over here on this side, sketchbooks, paper. Are any of these interesting? Stickers? Oh, here's some washi tape. And this like empty Altoids, or no, not Altoids, some kind of like gum thing. I'm thinking about making it into a, using like an Altoids tin and making it into like a travel palette. We'll keep you updated if that ever happens. Some paint. I've had these watercolor pencils since I was in middle school because someone gifted them to me, and I just now, like however many years later, 15 years later, I'm learning how to use them. Pencils, colored pencils. I've also had these colored pencils since, oh god, since I was 12. These Crayola pencils have been with me for way too long. So the moral of the story is that I don't throw things away. Okay, and lastly, acrylic paints. I've also had those since I was, you guessed it, in middle school. Oh, let me show you my favorite new pencil. I found this at a local stationery shop, and it has 1.3mm lead, and I discovered that I just really enjoy sketching with super thick lead. Trying to decide. putting my face on YouTube is the right idea right now.